Okay, so I just read about this DIY wireless Android Auto adapter that you can build with a Raspberry Pi.
Wait, a Raspberry Pi can turn a wired Android Auto setup into a wireless one? That's wild.
Yeah, it's pretty fascinating. It essentially creates a bridge between your phone and the car.
So you don't need any extra apps on your phone. It just works natively. How does that even happen?
Exactly. It passes through all Android Auto traffic without any modifications, which is super cool.
That eliminates a lot of potential issues and keeps everything seamless. I love that.
Right? Plus, it connects in under 30 seconds. Who wouldn't want that speed?
That's impressive. So which Raspberry Pi boards does it support? Can I use my old Raspberry Pi?
You can use several boards like Raspberry Pi 0W, 02W, and even the 4, but not all models are compatible.
Interesting. What if someone has a different board? Can they still make it work?
In theory, yes, as long as it supports USB OTG and has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functionality.
That opens up a lot of possibilities. So how do you actually set this up?
Well, you start by downloading a pre-built SD card image for your board. Super user-friendly.
So you don't need to dive deep into coding or anything? That's really appealing.
Exactly. Just install the image on the SD card and you're halfway there.
And the first time you connect your phone, you still use a USB cable, right?
Yep, but then after that initial setup, it connects automatically via Wi-Fi. It's so convenient.
Wow, I didn't expect such an easy integration. What about troubleshooting, though? Any common issues?
Definitely. A common issue is the phone getting stuck on looking for Android Auto, but it often comes down to USB cable quality.
That's a good tip. A lot of people overlook the importance of using a good data cable.
Totally. Plus, using the correct USB port on the Raspberry Pi is crucial. It can get tricky.
Okay, so if you run into issues, can you access logs to diagnose it?
Sure, you can SSH into the device to get logs, but you need to act fast since they don't persist.
That makes sense. So taking notes on errors can really help troubleshoot later.
Absolutely. Recording issues in logs can also contribute to community fixes.
It's great that users can contribute or report issues easily. That makes it feel more communal.
Right? And just imagine, if more devices get supported in the future, it'll be incredible.
For sure. I love the idea of an open source solution for something that seems so complex.
Me too. It makes technology feel more accessible, kind of revolutionary, don't you think?
Exactly. And it shows the power of community engagement in technology development.
Yes, plus DIY projects like this can save you money while being super functional.
Speaking of which, have you ever tried building something similar?
I haven't done anything with Android Auto, but I did build a smart mirror last year.
That sounds amazing. I love how these projects can bring tech to life in creative ways.
Absolutely. Plus, once you get into it, you can easily expand into other projects.
So this Raspberry Pi Android Auto thing could be a gateway to more DIY tech adventures.
Totally. You start with one project, and then the next thing you know, you're building a connected home.
It's really exciting to think about. Who knew a little board could inspire so much?
Right? This DIY project could change how we interact with our cars, making technology feel seamless.
And that leads me to wonder what other everyday technologies could be hacked in a similar way.
That's a great point. The spirit of innovation thrives when people explore and DIY their tech.
So, are there any other limitations folks should watch out for with this Android Auto dongle?
Well, it's currently tested with a limited set of head units and canned cars, so compatibility is key.
That makes sense. It'll be interesting to see it evolve as the project grows and more inputs are gathered.
Exactly. But the community's input is what helps it become more robust over time.
This whole idea of community-driven tech really highlights how collaboration can fuel progress.
For sure. It challenges the traditional ways tech is developed and distributed to consumers.
It's pretty cool to think about where this could lead us technologically. Like, what's next?
Oh, that's the question we should all be asking ourselves. The possibilities are endless.